This is a smart locker vending machine. The locker size is customized. It's with a 22-inch touch screen and a card reader. When nobody is buying, it will play the video from advertisement. Click to buy. We can see there is a locker number on the top of the pictures. We can also search the locker number. Select Pay by Card.
Please present your card or your mobile phone. Authorizing.
The locker will open, and then from the screen we will be able to know which locker number had opened. Suitable for fan drive product or big size product.